Dear students, this is the second video lecture on Unit 3, Resonance in RLC Circuit. In this video, we are going to discuss about problems in series resonance circuit. These all are the formula used in series resonance circuit. Resonance frequency FR equal to 1 divided by 2 pi into root of LC, where L is the inductance and C is the capacitance. FR is also nothing but FO. Next, quality factor, that is sharpness of resonance. Q naught equal to omega naught into L divided by R, where omega naught is the frequency in radian per second, R is the resistance and L is the inductance, which is equal to, where omega naught equal to 2 pi FR, where FR is the resonance frequency in hertz, into L is the inductance and R is the resistance, which is equal to 1 divided by R into root of L by C. Bandwidth equal to F2 minus F1, that is the difference between upper and lower cutoff frequencies, where F2 is the upper cutoff frequency and F1 is the lower cutoff frequency, which is equal to R divided by 2 pi L. Next, cutoff frequencies, lower cutoff frequencies and upper cutoff frequencies, where lower cutoff frequency F1 equal to 1 divided by 2 pi into minus R divided by 2L plus 1 by 2 into root of R square divided by L square plus 4 divided by LC. Next, upper cutoff frequency F2 equal to 1 divided by 2 pi into R divided by 2L plus 1 by 2 into root of R square divided by L square plus 4 divided by LC. Next, current at resonance, that is maximum current, Im equal to V divided by Z, where Z is the impedance. In resonance condition, Z equal to R, therefore V and V equal to Vm. Vm is the maximum voltage, therefore Vm divided by R. Next, voltage across capacitor under resonance condition, that is Vc equal to minus J into Q naught, quality factor, into maximum voltage. Selectivity equal to resonance frequency divided by bandwidth, therefore resonance frequency divided by bandwidth F2 minus F1, which is nothing but Q naught, from where bandwidth equal to resonance frequency divided by Q naught. Next, one problem. A series RLC, resistance, inductance and capacitance RLC connected in series circuit consists of 50 ohm resistance, 0.2 Henry inductance and 10 microfarad capacitance with applied voltage of 20 volt. Determine the resonant frequency, quality factor and the lower and upper cutoff frequency limits and the bandwidth of the circuit. Given data, where resistance R equal to 50 ohm and inductance equal to 0.2 Henry, L equal to 0.2 Henry and capacitance C equal to 10 microfarad, 10 into micro, 10 power minus 6, therefore 10 into 10 power minus 6 farad. Solution, resonance frequency, already we know that resonance frequency formula FR equal to 1 divided by 2 pi into root of L by C. Substitute the value of inductance and capacitance, therefore 1 divided by 2 pi into root of L 0.2 into C, 10 into 10 power minus 6. Solving, we get resonance frequency equal to 112.539 Hz. Quality factor Q naught equal to 1 divided by R into root of L by C, or otherwise Q naught equal to 2 pi FR, that is omega naught into L divided by R, where FR is the resonance frequency, that is 112.5395. Substitute the value of FR into 0.L, value of L 0.2 divided by value of R 50. Solving, we get 2.8284. Next, bandwidth equal to the difference between upper cutoff frequency and lower cutoff frequency. Upper cutoff frequency f2 minus lower cutoff frequency f1, or otherwise R divided by 2 pi L. Therefore, substitute the value of R and L. R 50 divided by 2 pi into value of L 0.2 Henry. Solving, we get bandwidth equal to 39.788 Hz. Next, lower and upper cutoff frequency limits. Lower cutoff frequency f1 equal to 1 by 2 pi into minus R divided by 2L plus 1 by 2 root of R square divided by L square plus 4 divided by L into C. Substitute the value of resistance, inductance and capacitance, and solving we get resonance frequency, lower cutoff resonance frequency f1 equal to 94.39 Hz. Next, upper cutoff frequency 1 by 2 pi into R divided by 2L plus 1 divided by 2L into root of R square divided by L square plus 4 divided by LC. Substitute the value of R, L and C. We get resonance frequency, upper cutoff resonance frequency f2 equal to 134.178 Hz. Thank you.